What's up, guys? I'm going back down to Onyx to pay them a visit and drop off some drinks for them and much appreciation for all the extra stuff they put on my bike.
Everyone back there! Holy shit!
What's up, guys? How's it going? Hi, puppy. Brought you guys some drinks.
There we go.
Yeah, buddy.
About 40 miles of bliss.
Oh, yes. It is going quite well. I got you
Oh, thank you. Very much.
like a different variety pack. Puppy. Look, guys, it's back down at Onyx. As you guys can see, there are some fresh bikes getting built. And we have a CTY over there. Yeah.
So was it 75 range?
75 on 20 miles an hour, 40 miles at 40 miles an hour, and then 20 miles at 60 miles an hour.
Huh.
Yep. Which way we go? Okay, perfect. Guys, I have ridden the Onyx over all the way to the East Bay to train one of my clients and my buddy. And we are going to do it up here on the top of the roof with a view of Sutro Tower. Oh, and this big ass crane. So these guys way down here parked or docked their boat. They didn't dock it properly. This guy had to swim all the way back out there and try to get it.
Nice. Soft to the touch.
All right, brother. Good job. Think Sunday if you come out to the ride.
Yeah, I'm coming out to the ride.
All right, definitely, brother. See ya.